Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, hope you will find. This is class 9th, subject General Science. We are discussing the classes of subphylum Invertebrata. So far we have discussed two classes, class Pisces and class Amphibia. Today we will discuss the class Reptila. The word Reptila, it is derived from the two Latin words. Reptila means repri. It is derived from Latin word repri. Repri means to travel or creeping vertebrates. That the specific feature of this class of animals is that they are creeping vertebrates. They travel. The class Reptila, it includes lizards, snakes, tortoises, turtles, alligators and crocodiles. Class reptiles, lizards, snakes, tortoises, turtles, alligators and crocodiles. They were the first vertebrates fully adapted for life on dry land. Some animals fully adapted for life on land. That means we can say that these are the first land living vertebrates. They are also cold-blooded animals. Cold-blooded. These reptiles, they are mostly terrestrial animals and they live in warmer regions. Terrestrial animals, they live on land. Live warmer regions. Some are aquatic and live in water, but they too return to land for breeding. Aquatic, the most of the reptiles, they are terrestrial. Aquatic, live waters mas, magar they return. They too return. Return land during breeding or for breeding. The body, body, it varies in form. It is covered by horny epidermal scales. Body, it is covered by horny epidermal scales. That means scales, they contain a waterproof protein keratin. Second, there are two pairs of pentadactyl limbs. Pentadactyl limbs, pairs of pentadactyl limbs, each with 5 digits bearing horny claws. Limbs are absent in snakes and some lizards. Two pairs of pentadactyl limbs, each with 5 digit limbs bearing horny claws. Claws limbs present absent snake and lizard. Teeth are usually present in all the reptiles. Teeth except tortoise and turtles, they lack teeth. Respiration occurs by lungs. Lung respiration by means of lungs. Their heart is 3 chambered. Heart is chamber, 2 auricle and a partly divided ventricle. Partly divided ventricle. That means their heart is 3 chambered. Another characteristic feature of these animals, reptiles, is most reptiles, they are carnivores. Carnivores and insectivores. That means they eat animal. They are flesh eating animals. Tortoises are herbivores, except tortoise. Herbivores, grass eating animals. Reptiles, they lay eggs outside the water and the eggs have a top covering. Outside the water never. Breeding water never. And eggs hard top covering. Now we will discuss examples. Examples of reptiles includes wall lizard, chameleon,